Bismillah for today. I will walk my simple way. Let my worries fade and stay. Trust in Allah when I pray.
Subhanallah walhamdulillah, la ilaha illallah, wallahu akbar. Subhanallah walhamdulillah, la ilaha illallah, wallahu akbar. You can say it once or 100 times or more. You'll feel a peace inside and it'll open every door. That's the power of remembering Allah. It's the best way to purify your heart. Allah, barik jami' al-muslimin fi al-Jazair, al-Maghrib, an-Niger, Tunis, Mali, Masr, Nigeria, Afriqiya, Tanzania, Kenya, Dakar, Inta al-Amal. Ya Allah,
Bismillah for today. I will walk my simple way. Let my worries fade and stay. Trust in Allah when I pray. Bismillah for today. I will try come what
alhamdulillah, our hearts proclaim Subhanallah, we praise His name. Allahu Akbar, in all we do. La ilaha illallah, forever true. Astaghfirullah when we've gone astray. We seek His mercy every day. Inshallah for what's yet